Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to import a YouTube video in CapCut. So simply at first open your YouTube and press on profile, go to your YouTube Studio. Go to content, as you can see showing into this video. At first time download this video, press on three dot, download this video. Okay, now successfully download this video, close my YouTube. Now check in. As you can see, now successfully download this video from my YouTube and open my CapCut. Now I'm open this. And click on create a project. Press on import. I'm recently downloaded this video from my YouTube. Press on to open. Now open and drag, and I'm easily edit or customize this video. Overall done. Press on to export. So that's it.